So tonight's dinner is a really nice, easy, simple chef salad. Eggs, cheese, bacon, tomato, cucumbers, croutons, and probably just a little bit of ranch. Nice, light, healthy dinner. So hope y'all all are having a good night, and that's what we're having. See you later, guys. So tonight for dinner, we are having unstuffed stuffed cabbage soup. Basically, it's just some cabbage cooked in some tomato sauce and some yummy other stuff. It has meatballs, and then I like mine with cornbread and some soft cream cheese. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Have a good night, guys.
Don't judge me. It was just one of those nights. An easy dinner, grilled cheese, watermelon soup, and a pickle. Can you go wrong with this meal?
So, hey, all my friends. So, tonight for dinner, we are having white cheddar macaroni, some canned turnip greens, and some good old fashioned baked chicken. And for some reason, I'm craving a good old grape soda. So, guys, that's what we're having for dinner. Have a good night, guys.
So tonight was family dinner night, and we went to the Catfish House. Um, love having dinner with my family. And look at this meal. Does it look delicious? Clams, fish, shrimp, stuffed crab, and a loaded baked potato, and coleslaw. And I forgot to take a picture tonight, but what we had was stuffed lettuce wraps, first time, and this will become a regular meal in my house. It was delicious.
So, hey guys, how are y'all doing tonight? For dinner, we are having fried chicken, and we're having some hot wings too. We're having some stewed potatoes, so southern, right? And then we are having some vegetables and with a little cheese on them. That's what we're having tonight. Y'all have a great night.